Hey everyone, I'm Atif and welcome back to Try Tech AB, where we explore the smartest and craziest AI tools changing the world of content creation. Before we start, the video you just saw was made using Higgsfield AI. Yes, everything you saw, from movement to gestures, was powered by Higgsfield Recast, an amazing full body character swap tool that makes your videos look filmed, not faked. Are you impressed seeing what this AI can do? This is Higgsfield Recast, and it's on a whole different level. It lets you swap characters in a single click while keeping every gesture, posture, and tiny micro expression looking real, like it was actually filmed that way. With Recast, your performance stays your performance. Performance. You get motion true body and hand tracking, natural facial detail, and consistent movement across shots. You can clone voices or automatically dub into multiple languages with
Love
accurate
is
lip
composed of a
sync.
single
You
soul
can
inhabited.
switch into over 30 character styles, from cinematic to anime to stylized 3D. And you can instantly change your entire scene with high quality backgrounds. No studio, no camera crew, no green screen. This isn't just face swap. This is full performance transformation, built for creators, storytellers, and filmmakers. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Accessing Higgsfield Recast. Open your browser and search for Higgsfield.ai. This is how the main interface of Higgsfield looks. The first thing we're going to do is sign up for a free account. Click on Sign Up at the top and choose any of the available methods to create your account. I'll continue with Google for a faster process. Step 2. Navigating the interface. Now that we are in, look at the top menu and hover your mouse over video. You'll see a drop down with many amazing AI features. But in this video, we are focusing on Higgsfield Recast. Go ahead and click Recast Studio. This is how clean and user-friendly the Recast interface is. As you can see, it says, upload your video, swap in any character, add their voice and background. On the left, you have the option to upload the video you want to edit. On the right, you can make 4 important changes to your video. Swap characters. Upload or select any image to replace the character in your video. Voice clone or change. Upload your own voice or choose from existing voices. Change language. Instantly convert your video into multiple languages with lip sync. Background swap. Replace the background to match the scene you want. Step 3. Swapping characters. Now, let's swap the character in a video so you can see how this works. First, upload the video you want to modify. Next, let's upload the image of the new character we're going to use. Click on it and select Confirm. As you can see, because the video I uploaded has no audio, the voice swap option has been disabled automatically. If you want to change the background, choose any background you like, or you can simply leave it as it is. Once you're done, click Generate. This will take less than 5 minutes, so just be patient and wait. This is the original video I uploaded, and this is the result we just created. As you can see, the output is extremely realistic and well rendered. Click on Library to view everything you've created, and if you like the result, click the Download button to save it for free. Step 4. Adding sound and voice. Now, let's try something with sound. Upload your reference video. This is the video we'll be replacing the character in. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies. Our mission is to be the most creator-friendly platform. This campaign spotlights Higgsfield Recast, a full-body character swap with SOTA physics that tracks posture, not faked. As you can see, the original video features a male character, but we are going to replace him with a female character. Upload the image of the new character you're going to use. I'll select Sophia from the available options. Next, upload the voice you want to use and click Continue when you're done. We'll leave the language as it is for now. We'll test that later. Now select the background you want to use and click Generate. Again, wait a few minutes for the output to process. Step 5. Seeing the result. Now, let's play the result and see how it turned out. I hope you are impressed by these results. Quick. The basic plan is just $9 per month. Great for beginners. You get 150 credits. Then there's the Pro plan for $29 per month, which gives you 600 credits and access to better models like Turbo and V3. This is the one I personally recommend. It's perfect if you're making content regularly. There's also an Ultimate plan at $49 per month and a Creator plan at $249 per month. That one's more for studios or agencies generating tons of AI videos daily. To give you perspective, 600 credits can make around 120 videos or 20 character generations. So yeah, you can do a lot even with the Pro plan. Once you're inside, you'll find options like Higgsfield Soul, Flux Context, and GPT Image. So, is Higgsfield AI worth it? Honestly, yes, especially if you're a content creator, marketer, or YouTuber like me. The $30 Pro plan feels like a sweet spot. But if you just want to try it for fun or make a few AI selfies to flex on Instagram, then the $9 basic plan is totally fine. So yeah, Higgsfield AI is absolutely worth checking out in 2025. That's how you can use Higgsfield Recast to completely transform your videos. Character swap, voice, language, and background, all in just a few clicks. No filming, no reshoots, no expensive equipment. Just upload, swap, and generate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you want to see next. Try this out and tag me in your results. I would love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.